Here are 5 mistakes that I was doing during my conceiving journey, and I'm going to stop you from doing them. Number 1, tracking my ovulation. And this was via Ovulation Kit, 2 different apps to help me understand where exactly and when I was ovulating. With PCOS and PCOD, it's super annoying to know when you're ovulating. That's because you never ovulate on the 14th day. This can only add more stress onto your day-to-day routine. That's why I stopped tracking and using my ovulation kits altogether. Number 2, being sexually active only during the ovulation phase that is shown in both my apps. Since I had PCOS, I didn't know when exactly I was ovulating, and trying only during the ovulation phase was a mistake. Instead, I started trying every third day through the month except the days I had my period. Number 3, only depending on my prenatal supplements. What most of us don't know that prenatal do have all the important nutrients and vitamins that our body needs, but it's in a very small amount, which means if you are deficit of any of the vitamins and minerals, it's not going to help cover up the gap. So what I did was get a blood test done and understand where exactly I was deficit, and only supplemented for that specifically individually rather than depending on my prenatal multivitamins. Number 4, trying to test every single time way too early. I was buying early pregnancy kits, and whenever it came negative, I started doubting myself, doubting my fertility and my ovulation. It only added more stress to my mental health. I decided that I'm only going to test at least 2 to 3 days after my missed period. Number 5, stressing every month when I didn't conceive. Now, I understand every time somebody sees a negative stick, it really hurts because you start understanding if you're ovulating properly, if your fertility is really low, or if PCOS is making you infertile. But the mental shift that I did was if I was not conceiving that particular cycle, it was not meant to be. Something could have been wrong with my egg quality, something could have been wrong with my implantation. And had I gotten pregnant at that particular cycle, maybe it could have led to a miscarriage. I started to trust my body and not doubt it because I knew I was doing everything in my power to help ovulate better and improve my fertility. So it's just about time when I was going to get pregnant, and being patient really did help because I got pregnant eventually. Conceiving journeys can be sometimes really lonely, and if you are somebody who's been trying for a long period of time, you may be frustrated because you might have not seen a positive stick yet. And if you are looking to understand exactly why you haven't conceived yet and looking to improve your fertility, then comment yes here and I will help you out.